Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Albertus Ridho Haryadi, NPM 224-11061. My class is MNG 22A. This is video my of discuss is interview. An interview is a direct conversation with specific objective using a planned question and answer format. Interview allow system and analysis to hear goals, feeling, opinions, and informal procedure in interview with organization decision makers. Interview preparation step: read background material, read information about the interview and their organization, such as its annual report, company periodic report, or other public. Interview prepare step: setting goals. Goal be set on backgrounds. Decide how to interview. Prepare interview around a time by calling send an email. Usually interview are scheduled for 45 minutes or 1 hour. Interview prepare step: determining the type and structure of question. Types of question: open-ended and closed-ended. Open-ended: describe option for the interview to respond. They are open and free to respond. Open-ended example question: what do you think about the state of business to business e-commerce in your company? What is your department most important goals? Once date is submit via the website, how is the date finally processed? Describe the monitoring process available online. What was the biggest frustration you experienced during the transition to e-commerce? Closed-ended limited the interview response by providing several answer choice. Closed-ended example question: how long does it take per week for the project information warehouse to be updated? On average, how many calls does the call center receive each month? Which of the following source of information do you find most useful? Consumer complaint form: complaint via email from consumers who visit the website. Face-to-face interaction with consumer, written by consumer name. You top two priority for improving technology infrastructure. Who receives this input? Closed-ended: do you ask the web to display information for vendors? Do you agree or disagree that e-commerce is not that safe? Would you like to receive a copy of your financial statement every month? Interview structure: pyramid structure. funnel structure, diamond structure, pyramid structure, starting with closed question and then with open question. Example: have you considered other methods to increase the security of company that? What do you think could make security here more effective? In general, how do you feel about that security guarding the importance of internet access? Funnel structure, starting with open question and then with closed question. Example: how do you reach to the new web-based search? Which department will implement it? What items are available from parts via the site? Are there certain items that are not available on the website? Diamond structure, starting with closed question, then open and closing with closed question. Example: name 5 tips of information that free website your service, like the one you just bring. Mention the promotional objective that you feature of the website or the service. Mention the value of using computer for you as a webmaster. Name 2 surprising item relate to the behavior of your stack and yours that you constants throughout this service. Are cookies better? Why do measure such use? Advance of interview. Interview can motivate interview to answer freely and openly to the question asked. Allow the interview to develop question according to the developing situation. The interview can assess the correctness of the answer given from the interview movement and facial expression. The interview may ask about specific activities that do not always occur. Disadvantage of interview. The interview process takes a long time, so it is relative expensive. The success of interview really depends on the intelligence of the interviewer. Interviewers are not always appropriate in certain conditions. For example, in noise and busy location. Interviews are very descriptive to the worth of the being interviewed if the time they have is very limited. Thank you very much. Thank you. This is video.